This is a burglar alarm with oscilloscope, and this is the frequency that I'm measuring, 4.5 kilohertz. Now, if I click the switch, set at 5 volts, the transistor operates around 5-6 volts and creates this type of sine wave. I'll turn it off for a bit, turn it back on, activate the alarm. It's very high pitched, but the oscilloscope plots this. Very interesting. But it does work. I've read that this is a calculation for tau to figuring out capacitance and diode and transistor. This project always contains a diode. I don't know why, but it does.